is my hair again. My hair is like I didn't bring my hat this time. I should probably get down. I bring that down real quick. Alright. There it is. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What I'm gonna be installing today, just because I'm missing a couple things and I'm gathering some stuff still up, is the intercooler. Hopefully I can put it on today. I brought some stuff to try to mount it on there, but it might be the wrong stuff. But if not, it'll give me, it'll let me at least figure out how I'm gonna mount it up to where and how I want to mount it up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I put up the charge pipe on this side. I'm looking to see, because I want to get like a rough reference, or yeah, basically of how this is gonna all sit. Probably be able to push that in a little bit, or maybe something right there. So I could get a reference of like exactly where it's gonna sit. Because originally I was gonna say like right here, but that's not seen to be the case or whatnot. It's gonna be like more down here or so. I know I didn't take the bubble wrap off, but probably should have. But this is all just mock-up right now. Alright you guys, last time we left off trying to mount the intercooler on the S2000, or I was trying to figure out a way how to mount it. I got an idea, figured out how I want to do it. So right now I got the intercooler here with this plate right here. I'm gonna screw in the holes. This is centered so it all evenly, like there's the same amount on each side. But I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes out, and then we're gonna go to the car, and then we'll drill out more holes, and then we'll be good to go. Should be able to mount on and ready. So I got it done. Here is the final product. So now let's go to the car, and we're gonna go figure out the holes for these, and then we're gonna mount it up, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so I got this thing mounted. It's in there like this right here. So there's a condenser in the back over here. This is, we're doing it for an S2000. You could grab that bracket that's holding that condenser. There's a screw right there, and there's two right there. I didn't put one in because it just didn't want to go in. But anyways, you grab that bracket. Originally it's that screw's on the other side. So when you pull it out, it's gonna be like bent right around that area. It's gonna be bent. Go ahead and grab a mallet and like hit that in, flatten it, and then put it in reverse so that screw's facing out, and then put it in there, and then it should push it back, give you some clearance to put something like this if you're gonna mount it from right here. I know they sell custom brackets, but those are like, some of them I've seen around like 200 for the S2000. So I'm doing this for now. I haven't installed that because I gotta move some stuff to get it in there. But for now, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper on, see how it looks with the bumper. So there it is right there. I don't know if it's crooked or not, but I mean, it might be because I'm on a slope, so it's like that. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. I was debating if I should paint it black, just so it can look more discreetly, you know, so no one sees what I got going on. Specifically cops, if they know what they're looking for. But I mean, other than that, you can barely see it. I mean, if you're looking for it, you'll find it, but the license plate also helps it. Well, that's it for that. It was just a small little thing, DIY, I guess. Now, if you want to follow what I did, if not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have more parts coming in soon, so we should be good and ready to go. Hopefully by the end of October. I still need to get the wheels done, or I still need to put them back together, I should say. We'll see how we're gonna do that. But other than that, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.